Oh, brother. I'm here at my auntie's house. I'm going to be installing some smoke alarms. Look at all this stuff out here. You know, I should really keep it a little bit better than this, and I used to. And then pretty soon I had to dig stuff out of my bag. You see that black bag right there? Usually I keep lots of my tools in there. I kept pulling them out and thought, okay, well, I need that. I'll just leave it sitting here. And I'm getting ready to go on a road trip. I might talk to you about that some other time. And I've got to clean all this stuff out of the back here in the next few days anyways. And so I'll clean it out then and get it all nice and sparkly. But for right now, I got to get my nail bag out of here. I don't really need that many things. I guess I could just take my Phillips screwdriver, my lumbar back support. I'll use that, and I've got to get some screws because the smoke alarms might need some different screws. Last time I did some for my mom, it seemed like the little screws that were in there from before, I needed to get some different ones with a bigger head. So I'll have to find those. I don't know where those are. I hope I have some. Okay. If you want to learn how to install some smoke alarms, you can go to my channel and punch up smoke alarms. Every video that I've put up having to do with smoke alarms is there, okay? So check it out. Oh, here they are. I always like to keep some of these handy. See this? This is coarse thread drywall screws, and these are 1.25 inches, and that's what I'm going to use. Dabbity nabbit, I hardly have any left. I only need 2 per smoke alarm. See? That's all I got left. See the coarse bit? And those go into electrical plastic boxes, and they screw right up in there. They've got a bigger head, and I might not even need these, but we'll see. And if I don't have enough screws, I'm sure I've got some other ones here too. But I use these screws all the time, and I've got different sizes, because remember I was just showing you I've got 1 5/8. I've got 1 5/8 in here. See there? 1 5/8. There's all kinds of screws in there. That's a pound. It's a pound box. And then I also have 2-inch, and they come in 2.5 inch. Here's 2 right there. 2-inch, 2.5 inch, 3-inch, 1 5/8, 1.25 inches, and usually that's what I carry all around with me. I've got next time I'm at the store, I better get some more of these. I always use that kind of stuff. Okay, well, enough of that. I better get in there and get these smoke alarms installed. Kaboom. Looks like I've already installed a couple smoke alarms, and they're really not that hard to install. I'm just getting ready to install this one next, and I got 2 different ones. See here, this one is for smoke alarm only, and it's hardwired. You got the electrical wire nut right there, and it also says hardwired right there. It also says hardwired right there, and it's a 10-year lithium battery backup too. You've got to get these kind. That's the best kind. That way you don't ever have to replace these 9-volt batteries. See this here? This came out of the old smoke alarm, and there's a little pocket in the back here, and that's where the battery went. Not all smoke alarms are the same, so this one happens to have the battery on the inside. But if your smoke alarms are over 10 years old, then you should replace them with new smoke alarms. And see, I got 2 different kinds. See, this one says smoke alarm only, this one says combination. And the combination means that it detects smoke and carbon monoxide. Now, it's generally a good idea to do that on the one that's fairly close to the kitchen. Oh, look at Mickey. See, the kitchen is over in that direction, and there's no smoke alarm in the kitchen, so you look out into the living room whatever. This is the closest one right here, kaboom. This one here, I'm going to put the carbon monoxide smoke alarm there. Then in the rest of the house, you can just do the smoke alarm. See, here in an office area, I've already replaced this smoke alarm right here. It actually went up pretty nice. So that was just a standard smoke alarm, and then I installed a standard smoke alarm right here in the hallway. These were already hardwired into the electrical system, so the locations were there. That's what I went and replaced. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to install this one. This is the old one, and I'm going to put the new one up there, and then I got another one to put in the other bedroom back there. Okay, nice little project. Anyone can do this. Hey, I'm just an average Joe. If I can do it, you can do it.
Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.